Hey, good morning, my dear little ones. How are you all? Remember me? I am your Parita ma'am. As we are meeting after a long time, let's have some fun. Let's do some warm up exercises before we start our session. Ready? Come on. Roll your hands slowly, slowly, slowly. Fast, 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 fast. Okay, now reverse. Roll your hands very slowly. Fast, 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 fast. Okay, close your eyes. Open it. Close your eyes. Open it. Rub your hands. Put it on your eyes. Open. Clap your hands. Very good. So now you all are ready to study? Yes? Okay. So now tell me, do you remember what did you learn in your previous sessions in English? You have learned alphabet A, B, C, D and E. Remember? Okay. So today we are going to learn new alphabet. But before that, let's have a quick recap of alphabet A to E. Okay? Okay. Tell me what is this? Alphabet A. Mama A. Baby A. Mama A. Baby A. Capital A. Small a. Sound of alphabet A is A. A. Now tell me what is this? Alphabet B. Mama B. Baby B. Mama B. Baby B. Capital B. Small b. Sound of alphabet B is B. B. Tell me what is this? Alphabet C. Mama C. Baby C. Mama C. Baby C. Capital C. Small c. Sound of alphabet C is K. K. Now what is this? Alphabet D. This is Mama D. Baby D. Mama D. Baby D. Capital D. Small d. The sound of alphabet D is D. D. What is this? Alphabet E. Mama E. Baby E. Mama E. Baby E. Capital E. Small e. The sound of alphabet E is A. Now, do you know what comes after E? F. This is alphabet F. This is Mama F. Baby F. Mama F. Baby F. Capital F. Small f. The sound of alphabet F is F. The sound of alphabet F is F. Okay, now let's see some pictures related to alphabet F. This is the picture of fruits. F for fruits. F says for as in fruits. This is the picture of fan. F for fan. F says for as in fan. This is the picture of a finger. F for finger. F says for as in finger. This is the picture of fish. F for fish. F says for as in fish. This is the picture of fox. F for fox. F says for as in fox. This is the picture of flower. F for flower. F says for as in flower. This is the picture of flag. F for flag. F says for as in flag. You know, children, this is our national flag. Now we will do an activity using clay. So we are going to make alphabet F using this clay. Mama F, baby F. Now let's start making alphabet F using this clay. Now I'll take some small portions of this clay. Now let's start rolling it like this. This is standing line. Now we will make one big sleeping line and one small sleeping line. So this is standing line. Now this is big sleeping line. And now a small sleeping line. Now let's make baby F. This is Mama F. Now we will make baby F. We will roll it like this and make big standing line. Now we will put it here and turn it little bit from the up, from the top. And now make small sleeping line. And put it on the standing line. So now can you say, children? This is Mama F, baby F. So my dear kids, I hope you all have enjoyed learning through my video. Okay, keep practicing. Take care. Bye bye for today. See you in the next session.